nag-marinate ako ng chicken. This is for our chicken adobo. Dadalhin natin bukas sa aking work kasi may party kami, Thanksgiving and retirement party ko. Ito naman ay niluto ng anak ko para maging marinate. Imamarinate niya yung turkey para sa Thanksgiving. Ito yung turkey, nililinis ni Jasmine. Egg. Tapunin na lahat yan. Ito yung magiging stuffing sa sa turkey. Ano aray? Ano? Butter. And everything. Madami, hindi ko na nalaman. Basta ito yung stuffing sa turkey. So ngayon ito binabad ni Jasmine ang turkey sa kanyang binoil kanina. Until when? Tomorrow? It's going to be until tomorrow. Marinating the turkey. Oh, lagi na. Preparing for our Thanksgiving dinner. That's Jasmine. Are you going to do what? Green bean casserole. Macaroni and cheese. Going to do macaroni and cheese.
Yeah.
And that's mashed potato.
Oh, your camera's fogging up.
That's Maria. That's Grace. And that's Mariano right there. Our place is so magulo. That's Mariano right there. And I'm here. Who cares? Our cooking lumpia also. There you go. She's putting now the mac and cheese. Mac and cheese. The pasta. Macaroni pasta. There you go. The lumpia.
See if it tastes good. The seasoning.
Already cooked lumpia. Kasi mo na kayang anong yan? Jasmine is making mashed potato. Jasmine is cooking green bean casserole. Yum yum. Oh.
That means it's juicy. Mom, you go here before?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's a big town.
We're decorating.
Want me to record?
Yeah. I'm
Oh, it's sideways. I'm gonna say yeah. Where's my Coke?
Dito ay ina-adjust ko ang camera para makakita ng magandang pwesto.
Wait, we have to take pictures first.
Para pasay.
Oh, green beans. Akin mo. Wala. Akin yung kakat.
Wait, take a picture.
Wait, mommy, wait. Don't cut it. Nadalas mo na rin ito eh. How are we gonna have space to sit? Oh, that's smooth.
Look at that.
Wait, the thing didn't pop out.
Ay, ano na eh. Maano na ang ating ano?
Our oven? The turkey's burnt?
No.
Wow.
It's still red?
No, it's juicy. I put juice. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna sit.
Takpan mo na eh.
Is this for me or daddy?
Yeah.
Oh, me? Oh, we're so juicy. That one looks good.
Wow.
Ah,
Wait, I'm gonna try it all.
yeah, nagtanggalan na.
Aming bestseller na Indubies, original flavor ng Tribunal at saka yung kasama ng Tribunal.
Can you pass the green? Can you give the green beans? Daddy here. Green beans?
Masarap ang natatakot ako mag-try ng green grapes.
It just tastes like regular grapes.
Lumabos na.
I know it's good. I've never had green bean casserole. Hot.
You don't like it? It's American. It's American food.
Jesse, can you put the mashed potatoes?
Siya, ito man yung anak-anak. At kung ikaw ay magagagayan. Ay siya. Alis yan.
I'm not in the video.
Oh.
And I can't even see anyone. Where the food?
Help yourself.
Asin mo na anak are. Just remove this.
Just put it on the table with the rice.
Yeah. Ang wala tayo ay
Shanghai.
I think it's good.
ang wala tayo ay yung cranberry. Paano naman Grace kanina? Hindi ka bumaba. Kaya nalito na ako kasi nihahatid ako nung kasama ko sa trabaho. Kaya anong nangyari? Ang mag-ilaw. Ba't kayo lang dalawa ang may coke? Daddy, kuha na coke. Ate. Eh ako, kuha ako.
Daddy should get water.
Tinapay.
Yeah. Mare.
Hati tayo. Kain kain.
Daddy, you should get water.
Just me ikaw, Grace.
Bye.
Hindi na yung mga ano.
Do you want? You should, Daddy. You should get water so you don't choke.
Nagagin niya, pati yung...
Daddy, you want gravy?
Oo, bigyan ng gravy para may lasa.
Yeah.
More?
Ah.
It's so good.
Ito ano ko.
I want the potatoes. I mean the mashed potatoes.
Ito muna. Okay. Okay na. Dapat ang bibili kong mesa sa Philippines, yung may daisy-daisy.
Yeah, the one where you can move it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Going around.
We might need that. That's okay, Mom. I'm good.
Hindi ko maalis sa ibigay sa akin.
Oh.
Daddy, gusto mo mac and cheese? Are.
Okay lang.
Just a little bit, he said.
Puro na yun. Dami na.
Oh, ayun. Dala din niya mga pagkain diyan.
mine?
Yung casserole.
Why are you moving it there?
Tapos i-move mo yung turkey doon. Nang maabot. I-move mo ng turkey doon.
So far I can go.
The Asian green beans are much better than the American green beans.
This is Asian?
Those American.
Yung green beans sa ano.
Yeah, the green beans.
Daddy, lagi dyan sa tabi mo.
The green beans I like
Anak,
Beatla.
papatay muna ng ano,
Here.
heater.
I like Beatla or Sifa City is much better.
Dapat ikayo na lang next time.
They're much more like smaller. And they have more like seasoning.
Isang experience hindi na para sa mga
Mm.
nagtuturo.
Very good.
Kundi para rin siyempre sa kumakalam ang sikura.
Sorry, dirty.
Dirty again.
Do you want more?
Aha, man.
This is what leftover we have after eating our Thanksgiving dinner. Look at that turkey. It's so kawawa.
Beautiful.
I know, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Aww.
You're awesome.
Here you guys, let's eat. Guys, oh, this is beef.
I got everything.
Okay, good.
Got video going.
One with Maria.
Okay, come
Okay, just 1 second.
Alright.
Hold on. You wanna go back?
Now you gotta be like,
You got over there. That's it. Come on, everyone.
Gather up.
It's the best meal we had.
Forget the turkey.
I haven't had time to cook anything.
There's no rice.
Oh, no rice.
In here.
Just noodles, mashed potatoes.
In the Philippines and then,
Happy birthday. Birthday retire.
Congrats. Well, there you go, Maria. What are you gonna say? Thank you.
thank you. Thank you, PFC.
Okay, I got it, Miss Carol. Don't worry, eat. I'll go. Maria, thank you so much. We love you. Congratulations. Good luck. Just come back if you don't like it.
Enjoy your time.
Thank you.
Stay healthy.
Yeah. Thank you, Bibian, for the Christmas and retirement gift. Thank you, Tania, for the pictures. Thank you, KFC, for the balloons. A portion of the cake from QFC and the flowers. Thank you so much.
Power steering.
This is
Sunroof.
messages from my co-workers.
Kasama mo, mamin. Ang mamin, parang tumawag.